All right, I just have 5 minutes. This is the final Java project of making the game of war. So what we did here was made a card class and set a constructor and yeah, just put the name, suit, value of the cards in that, and then made getters and setters for all of it, and then a describe method to print out the card. After that, we made a deck and we made an array list for this. And in the array, we had a suits array and a numbers array in the list. And yeah, we just put all the values and then we did a for loop to cycle through the suits. And then we did another for loop to cycle through the numbers. And yeah, that's what we did. Then we did getters and setters, then a describe method, and a shuffle method, and then a draw method for the deck. And then after that, we made a player class. So we did a constructor for um, the player and then put a name. And then we also put the score like of the game in for the players. And then we put getters and setters. And instead of a setter for the score, we just made it increment uh, up by one. So this is the main app. So we instantiated the deck here, and then we made the two players, and we named them David and John. We set 26 rounds. Then we start by shuffling the deck, then playing war. Then we did a for loop to cycle through the rounds and make the rounds happen. And then within the for loop from here to here, we shuffle the deck. We have the players draw a card each, then it prints out what card they draw. And then here it's just a conditional if-else statements to figure out who won that round when drawing the card, and then just printing it out to the council who won the round. And then at the end here, it's keeping track of the score, so just putting the current score of the game. Then at the bottom here, we have figuring out the final score of the game, so we just have printing it to the council and then a conditional if-else statements to determine who won the whole game. And this is the game printing out to the council. So yeah, shuffling the deck, play war, and yeah, all this here, they draw. John won the first round, and then this here, it's the score. Technically, it's counting it from the previous round, which I think is fine. And we go through our rounds, rounds 1 through 26, and then yeah. Uh, so that was it. David won the game. He won 13 rounds compared to John's 10, so David wins the game. That was everything. Thank you.